everybody, it's me, Little Jess. Um, I found Lovable AI and I've been kind of playing around with it. I am a beginner. I know there's a lot of beginners out there just like me. I don't know how to code, I don't know how to vibe code, all that, AI world is I'm learning myself. So I'm a beginner, and Lovable is great because you don't need to know how to code. So you just type in what you want, whether it be a landing page, maybe a blog page, or to make tools. In this video, I am actually going to make a tool. Very simple, very plain, and it will work. So I am going to make a QR code generator. So you just type it in. Please create a QR code generator. Okay. Make it simple because we like that. Simple. And we'll just make it kind of plain for now. With a white background. Now, this is just the beginning. As you learn more about Lovable, you could start learning how to add color, play with the fonts, and whatnot. So after I do that, I usually go down at where it says design, and then they have the other things, connector, database. But I hit design. Okay, after that, just go over to the black button. And let's see what it does. Now it's thinking. Even look at that. Tells you how to think. So anyways, like I said, I am a newbie, a beginner at all of this. And I will be making more videos using Lovable. I will also be making some prompts, free prompts on my website, which is called scalingaidigitals.com. And I will put all of that in down below. And I will show you some more things that I will be doing on the site. Lovable AI, which is an app builder. So as we wait, we're going to wait some more because it's testing, as you can see. Well, that's a good thing. We're still testing. Okay. Taking forever. Keep going. Come on, Lovable. There we go. I knew you could do it. All right, so it just showed what it made. It's still kind of getting things together. Well, there you go. We have it right there. Now, over here on your left-hand side, you'll see added QR code generator. It said details. I don't know what all that stuff is, but I just wanted to let you know. Then you can go over and hit preview. And there you go. There's our simple QR code generator. Okay, let's put in www.lovable.dev. Okay, see what it does. Ta-da! Okay, so there it is right there. I am going to get my phone out. Everybody get your phone out. Go to Google Lens. So that means you go to Google, the main page, up near the microphone at the top. You'll see the little camera. Click on that and then aim it right at the code that we just made. And it should say lovable.dev. Yay, it worked. Woohoo! That's a good thing. So, when you do codes, if you prefer to download them, you can right here. And let's do another one. Let's have some fun. Okay, so we're going to generate. Oh, let me see. Okay. All right, we'll do another thing. Another simple thing because we like simple, right? Google.com. Let's see how that comes out. Generate. There you go. Get your phones out. Aim it at the QR code and it should say google.com. Woohoo! It worked. So there you go. Very easy. All I did again is type it in and voila. We just made a tool. So if you like some more videos, I'll be making some more tutorials on different things I'll be doing with Lovable. So come to my page, scalingaidigitals.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.